Decorating Fanatic here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today I am super excited to share with you another one of my passions. Now it's not decorating or a DIY project, but this is something I am passionate about. I enjoy buying jewelry and watches from my local pawn shop, so I want to share a few of these bargains that I've gotten over the years. This is a men's black Bulova watch. It has accent diamonds. Now I purchased this over at Value Pawn for around $125. And as you can see, this website is selling theirs for $675, but they're out of stock. And I purchased mine several years ago, so I must say that I did get a bargain. So here's the Bulova watch that I showed you online for $675. And like I said, I got this at Value Pawn for $125. So I always get super excited when I find something and paid a lot less. And of course, I always enjoy going in there and seeing what I can find. And you know, you don't always find stuff in there every time you go in, but it's always fun to look. So let me go ahead and show you what else I found. So I have another watch here that I bought from Value Pawn. Now this is a Michael Kors, and they call this the tortoise watch because of the brown coloring it has. And I think I paid around $75 for this, and it's worth about a couple $100. This is another men's Bulova watch that I bought my son from Value Pawn, and I think I paid around $100 for this, and it's currently being sold at Macy's, and you can see that online as well. I have another item that I want to share with you guys. Now my son wanted to buy his girlfriend a diamond heart necklace for Christmas, and of course I tried to encourage him not to shop at the jewelry stores because he was going to overpay. I told him he should check out our local pawn shops, but of course he came home and he told me he paid $500 for a diamond heart necklace from Zales, and I was shocked when I saw it. The chain was so thin, and I was like, she's gonna lose that heart necklace in no time, and he's gonna be out $500. So I encouraged him to return it, and my girlfriend has an Estes jewelry online shop, and I'll leave her link down in the description below. But I had her send me a couple photos of some of the items she had, and my son ended up picking out this one here. And I must say, this is really nice. It has really nice diamonds. They're real nice and clear and white, and it has a nice chain, and he paid $120 for this. So that makes me feel a little bit better that he didn't overpay and he got something nice. So I think she'll be real happy with this and surprised. This necklace here I found at another pawn shop, and I was pretty familiar with it because I had looked at it several days earlier online. Now this is a Tiffany and Company necklace. It's an infinity. This is 18 inches and it's sterling silver. Now online you can still buy this for $250, but I ended up getting it at the pawn shop for $24.99. So I couldn't pass that up, so I went ahead and purchased that. So here's the picture of the necklace from Tiffany and Company, and as you can see, they have it priced at $250. I have another piece of jewelry that I want to show you guys. Now I found this ring at Value Pawn. This is aquamarine, and it is my birthstone and my mother's, and it has 2 rows of diamonds on each side. So I did purchase this ring for my mother, and I think I paid around, probably under $100 for this. Now today, if you were to buy this at a jewelry store, it would probably cost you a couple $100. So I really get a lot of enjoyment searching the pawn shops for good deals. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope this inspires you to check out your local pawn shop for your next bargain. And until next time, happy decorating!